friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight doing a little bit of goofing around. And it's actually a perfect night for being indoors and having a little bit of fun. Got a little bit of a snowstorm going on outside, so but it's nice here in the garage. A little chilly, but it's okay. Just put on a flannel shirt, we'll be good to go. Definitely plinking weather in here. But I got a quick mail call and a new local treasure that I found. We'll start out with that. I stopped at the local, we have a store here called Runnings that if you took like a Bass Pro or a Cabela's and Tractor Supply and they had a baby, that would be Runnings. They have everything farm related and outdoor related, and then also a nice nice gun selection as well. So nothing used, but all new stuff. But I stopped in there because I was running low on my Hornady black diamond BBs. They don't call them black diamond anymore, so but still the same BBs. And always like to keep stocked up on my Daisy wad cutters. Very cost-effective ammunition. But while I was there, they had this guy that was I'd never heard of it before, but apparently this has been out for several years. But this is the Umarex XBG, which is very, very similar. It looks very, very similar to like the Crosman C11, or maybe these both have buck rail silencers on them, but the Daisy 415 or the Daisy 426. But we're gonna go ahead and bust this guy out and take a couple of shots with it. This is a CO2 powered gun. The other one I have is a spring piston gun that was actually recommended to me by one of the viewers, and he saw me getting I got the PSM 45, Crosman PSM 45, and I really like that gun. That is really nice. I also did pick up this Umarex DX17. A little disappointed in that one. I don't know. It's okay. It's fun to plink with. It doesn't have a lot of power, and it's supposed to shoot BBs and pellets, but at least the one I have doesn't shoot pellets worth a darn. So there's not enough power in it to get the pellet out of the barrel. So let's get this package opened up for this XBG without hurting myself here. Alright, so not much else with it, just some instructions. Who needs instructions? But it does have I don't think this magazine, I was kind of wondering if the magazine was similar to the Crosman. Let's have a look-see here. Yeah, they're pretty close. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they will interchange. The magazines are pretty much identical, so which is pretty cool. I will play around with that more later. But, for now, we'll stick with the magazine that came with it. But this is a pretty cool CO2 powered pistol. Let's see how you put a CO2 in here. Okay, so this back strap pops up, and put that in. Let's open up the other one first before we get too crazy loading this guy up, and then I'll bring you guys out to the shooting range. But I got another one here that, like I said, one of the viewers recommended I look this one up. This is a Daisy model 340, I believe it's called. And this is a spring piston. At least At least that's what I ordered. But let's get it out of the packaging here. But I really like that PSM 45. Really nice shooting gun. It was kind of not doing much when I first took it out of the package, but now that I kind of broke it in a little bit, it really is shooting nice. So, but here we go. This is the Daisy, Daisy model 340. Says up to 240 feet per second, so definitely just a plinker. It has a 200 shot BB reservoir with a 13 shot clip, so we'll have to look at that real quick and see how that works. But let's go ahead and get this guy out of its package. So this is another one. I tried to order it on Amazon, but their stupid rules, they wouldn't ship it to New York to me, so. Alrighty. So we've got some instructions, and that's about it. So let's see how this works. So you fill up the magazine, and then the magazine gets filled. Guess I'm gonna have to look at the instructions a little bit. Oh, so there's another little, so you open this little reservoir up, fill up with BBs up to 200, and then there's a little tab here you pull out on that, and it will load from that reservoir into the spring-loaded reservoir there, spring-loaded magazine area. So let's go ahead and we'll try this one first, and then we'll gas up that Umarex. This should be enough to get us started here. Alright, so now it's set to insert the magazine into the gun, and then pull that tab out, and then how do you cock it? Alrighty. I'm assuming you got to pull that back. Let me read the instructions a little bit more. I was doing it right. So you gotta, so when it's on fire, you can't do anything. You gotta cock that down. Okay, I just wasn't pulling it hard enough. Alright, I don't think I got any BBs loaded into the magazine. Let me. Sounds like it's got some power. So pull the speed loader. Pull the speed all the way down. It remains fully extended. Shake the pistol to reload the clip without removing the speed loader. Okay, so I didn't do that. I gotta pull it out and give it a shake. and then that should load it up. Still nothing. Alright, let me see here. Alright, well, I got at least one BB into the magazine. Looks like I got a few into the magazine now. The trials and tribulations of learning a new gun. There it goes. Still not, Well, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, or if I'm doing anything wrong. Well, it's got plenty of BBs in that magazine now. Alright, well, if anybody's got any advice about that one, that's kind of disappointing right off the bat. We'll be playing around with that more though. But let's go ahead and put CO2 in this XBG here. Looks like it's very much the same as the like the Crossman or the Daisy action. Alright, got our little puff there, that's nice. Alright, so I don't have the magazine there right now, and you can't safety here. Okay, so we're puffing. Let's throw some BBs in this magazine here. Just like the Crossman, you got to hold your finger over the end if when the follower of the magazine releases, and it will shoot your BBs all over the garage. Definitely is the same magazine as the Crossman for sure. All right, let's come out here. I like that. It has a white dot on the front sight already, so I don't have to mess with that too much. Hitting. There it is. Seems like all of these want to shoot off to the left on me here. Pretty cool. That is nice. Glad I bought that. Okay, I think I'm out. Let's come back over here and we'll finish up. So, like the XBG, so far I'm kind of on the fence about this this power line, this 340 here, but hopefully we can get that figured out and figure out why it's not wanting to feed a BB. But if anybody has any comments, just leave them down below and let me know what I might be doing wrong here. But doesn't seem to want to feed a BB in there. So anyway, there you go. That's going to be a lot of fun. Hopefully the Daisy will get that figured out, and that'll be a lot of fun as well. But we'll be seeing the head-to-head challenge between these two guys for sure. They look like they're probably identical inside. Looks like they're very similar setups inside. But hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.